Hello everyone, Alex is here. In my journey to pick the best portable speaker, and trust me, I did try a lot of different brands. I didn't find any better value than the LG PL7, even though it definitely doesn't have the best sound quality, but it's one of the best for a really reasonable price. And the closest one was the JBL Charge 5, but it's more expensive by $80. So let's see if the Bose Soundlink Flex will change my mind for only $30 more. In this video I will talk about what's inside the box, build quality and design, battery life, connection, performance, and also I will talk about the Bose Connect app. Inside of the box you will find the speaker itself, a USB A to USB-C cable, and starting guide, and that's all. This speaker is made from a soft rubber on the back that has two jobs: improve the speaker durability and to clean your house from the dust. Yeah, it's a dust magnet, same as any speaker that has rubber material. But it's made from a really premium plastic on the front that you can actually feel when you hold it, with the strap on the side for hanging the speaker. However, it doesn't come with a hook. So if you like this speaker, consider buying a separate one. I will leave a link to the one I use in the description. On the side, there is finally a USB-C for charging, not the crappy micro USB on the other Bose speakers. And if you care about dimensions, this is a really slim portable speaker with the weight of 1.3 pounds, so it can fit in your bag easily without any hassle. On the top there are 5 buttons: the power button, next to volume adjusting buttons, Bluetooth connection, and smart assistant. While this speaker doesn't have any assistant built in, but it uses the one from the connected phone, either it's Siri or Google Assistant. These buttons also work for voice calls control, because yes, this speaker still has a mic to receive phone calls, and it actually has a really good quality even in range. Speaking of range, something this speaker lacking is the latest Bluetooth technology, and it still uses the 4.2 version that allows you to stay connected up to 10 meters only, which is fine for most cases, but something to be aware of. And you can connect up to 2 devices at the same time. And Bluetooth is the only way that you can use this speaker with. So there is no aux port, and the USB is only for charging, which is a common thing in 2022 speakers. And what's also common in the last 3 years speakers is the water resistant, with the rate of IP67 and the ability to float on water thanks to the rubber material on the back. Bose advertised this speaker for 12 hours of continuous playing, but my testing was far behind, with 7 hours on 70%, and you're going to need to put this speaker on a high volume. I will tell you later in the video why. However, it needs only 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100%, so the ratio is 2.5 minutes of listening for a minute of charging, and I can say this is a good result, but I feel like Bose sacrificed a lot on the battery side to make this speaker as compact as possible, and for most of the people 7 hours is more than enough. Just make sure to charge it every couple of uses and you won't have any problem. When it comes to sound quality, this speaker has 1 driver and 2 passive radiators, and it's a big improvement over most of the previous Bose speakers I used. I will let you decide for yourself after listening to the comparison with the LG PL7 to see if the Bose is a better choice.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you called my line. Or did you even need to talk? Or you wasting time declining all your FaceTime calls? Cause you're not my vibe, but God just let me go to sleep. Someone get high with me. Yeah, cause I'm running away. I'm looking for space. Looking for space. I'm healing from all of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now, and it's hard to breathe. And I've lost myself. What happened to me? off clear, but I guess you didn't hear. Now stop texting every second, I just wanna disappear. Like a fly up in my ear, you don't ever wanna stop. Yeah, you have me kicking rocks, just leave me alone for once. Just leave me alone, I'm running away.
As you heard from the test, the Bose Soundlink Flex feels like a beginning of a new era of Bose speakers. However, it still lacks on low bass and it's not loud enough, especially compared to JBL Charge 5 and LG PL7. And the sound will start to get muddy over 80%, and you will definitely notice that since this speaker is directional. However, it's on the same level of the new JBL Flip 6. Also, Bose has added some new features such as Position IQ technology, which automatically adjusts the speaker equalizer according to its orientation, and this feature is very handy when you hang the Flex vertically. Something bothers me that you can't change the equalizer on the speaker, so you only have what you get out of the box, leaving the application only for speaker information, like battery life, and to link this speaker with another one, like the Revolve that I talked about in one of my previous videos. And I also mentioned there that the app lacks a lot of features, so Bose should really work on this side. Now, do I recommend this speaker? Well, for portability, honestly it's a really nice compact speaker, but it's not the only one. JBL Flip 6 has almost the same size with better battery life. For the sound quality and performance, overall you can definitely find better ones in the market, such as JBL Charge 5 and LG PL7, but the Flex is not far behind considering the portability. Anyway, hope you had fun in this video. Don't forget to support my channel, and before you go and buy the Bose Flex, I will leave you some alternatives on the screen that might be better for you. And thank you for watching.